When you are logged into the Common App, one of the first things you'll need to do, besides completing the Common App application section, which I'll go over in another video, is add the colleges that you want to apply to your My Colleges tab in the Common App. To do this, these are the steps that you take to ensure that you add those colleges. So as you can see, we're on the Common App website. We're logged in, because right here it says we are. We're on the Dashboard tab. To start adding schools to your Colleges tab, you first want to go to College Search and type in the name of the school that you may want to add to your Colleges tab. So I'm going to type in Westchester. As you can see, it comes up here. I'm going to select it and add it. And I'm also going to go ahead and type in Shippensburg and select that school and add it. That's how I add colleges to my colleges list. To see your My Colleges list, you can click here, and it'll show you on the left-hand side that the schools are added to your My Colleges tab. As you'll see, in each one of the colleges, if you open them up, there'll be certain requirements that you're required to complete in order to complete that college's specific version of the college application through the Common App. So however many schools you add will all be listed here on this left-hand tab when you look at the My Colleges tab. It's important that you add every school you want to go to, and you make sure each one of these requirements to the application is completed, including review and submit, to make sure that that school gets your Common App and gets your application. When you have each school in here, a lot of important information is listed for the schools. It'll list the application deadlines, any other deadline information. It'll go over the application fees, what their testing policy is, and so on and so forth. So it's really important to kind of use this tool and make sure when you have the colleges that you definitely want to apply to, that one of the first things you do when you have your Common App is make sure you add them all here so that you can make sure you complete everything that you need to do in order to have those applications finalized and complete and sent off to the schools that you want. So that's how you add colleges to your My Colleges tab in the Common App.